Did you ever stop to wonder if the very laws of science we trust every day could actually prove the existence of something beyond our natural world? Imagine this, a fundamental rule of the universe that screams, "Something impossible happened." A rule that forces us to confront the idea that our entire cosmos could not have just popped into being on its own. What if I told you that one of the most ironclad principles in physics points straight to a supernatural force? That's right, a force so powerful it defies the rules we live by. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to unravel this mind-bending mystery step by step, revealing hidden insights from science itself that could change how you see everything from the stars above to the ground beneath your feet. You'll walk away with rare knowledge that bridges the gap between hard facts and the ultimate unknown, secrets that most people overlook but could spark a profound shift in your worldview. Let me dive right in. There's this incredible natural law in science that, when you really think about it, hints at something truly extraordinary, a supernatural presence. This law is called the law of conservation of matter and energy. At its core, it tells us that matter and energy can't be created or destroyed. They can only change forms. But let's zero in on that crucial first part. Matter and energy cannot be created. What does that really mean? It means that something can't just spring into existence from absolutely nothing. No tricks, no loopholes, nothing from nothing. But hold on a second, if matter can't be created from nothing, then where on Earth, or should I say, where in the universe, did all the matter in our vast cosmos come from? Think about it. The stars, the planets, the oceans, the air we breathe, even the cells in your body, all of it is matter. According to this unbreakable natural law, nothing in the natural world could have brought it into being. It's not a suggestion, it's the law. The universe as we know it shouldn't even exist if we're strictly following natural rules. Wait, are you implying that this law suggests there should be no matter at all? Exactly, but here we are, you and me, existing in a world full of it. We're surrounded by evidence of our own reality. Feel the weight of your phone in your hand. Look out at the bustling world around you. Clearly, we're here. So, how in the world did that happen? How did all this matter come to be? Well, my friends, the only logical conclusion is that something bypassed this natural law entirely. Something stepped in and made the impossible possible. But what could possibly override a foundational law of science like this? By its very definition, it couldn't be anything natural. It had to be supernatural. Yes, you heard that right. This everyday law of physics is quietly pointing us toward a supernatural event that kick-started everything. Let that sink in for a moment. This natural law is essentially telling us that a supernatural occurrence took place. At some distant point in the past, perhaps at the very dawn of time, matter was created out of nothing. And if we truly follow the science, without bias or assumption, it leads us straight to an unnatural, supernatural origin. Science isn't just neutral here. It's actively directing us toward this astonishing truth. Of course, I know what you're thinking. Someone's bound to push back on this, right? Let's address those objections head-on because I want you to feel confident in this reasoning. Go ahead. Throw your best arguments at me. First off, what if someone says, well, maybe that law will be proven wrong someday? Sure, anything's possible in the future. But right now, today, it's not just a theory, it's a law, one of the most rock-solid foundations of physics. We've tested it endlessly, and it holds up. Arguing that it might change is like dodging the facts we have in front of us. We have to base our understanding on the science we know now, not on hypotheticals that might never come. Yeah, that makes sense. We can't ignore today's reality just because tomorrow might bring something new. And we've absolutely got to stick to real, current science. Another common pushback I've heard is about quantum mechanics. People say, hey, what about virtual particles? Don't they pop in and out of existence from nothing? Not quite. That's a misunderstanding that needs clearing up. What they referring to is a fascinating subatomic phenomenon where oppositely charged particles briefly appear and then vanish. But here's the key. This doesn't happen in a true vacuum of nothing. It occurs within an already existing quantum energy field. It's like bubbles rising in a pot of water. The water was there first. Quantum physicists are crystal clear on this. We've never, ever observed matter emerging from absolute nothingness. Not once. Never. Ever. So, when we strip away the misconceptions, does science genuinely point to a supernatural event as the source of all the matter in our universe? Absolutely yes. And honestly, there isn't a single serious evidence-based scientific counterargument that holds water against this. Science isn't hiding from this. It's illuminating it. In fact, the more we dig into these laws, the clearer it becomes that a supernatural force is at play. Now you might be wondering, so what do we call this force? Professor, give us a name. Well, that's the beautiful part. It's up to each of you to decide. It could be the divine creator of ancient texts, a cosmic intelligence beyond our comprehension, or something else entirely that resonates with your own beliefs. But whatever label you choose, one thing is undeniable. This force is immensely powerful, and it operates on a level that's unmistakably supernatural. As we wrap this up, think about how profound this is. A simple law we learn in school isn't just about energy bills or chemical reactions, it as a window into the origins of everything. It challenges us to look beyond the material world and consider the mysteries that science itself can't fully explain. If this sparked even a flicker of wonder in you, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-expanding dives into science and the unknown, and drop a comment below. What do you think this supernatural force is? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.